Picture this, $7,000 in just 5 days, all from YouTube Shorts crafted entirely by AI. Stick around because in this video, I'll unveil the exact blueprint to replicate this incredible feat. From setting up multiple channels to leveraging the power of AI editing, we'll dissect each step of this game-changing strategy. With so much bad online money-making advice showing on the internet, I feel like you deserve to listen to this strategy that is making money like clockwork. The best part is this whole process can be done without setting up your camera and showing your face with little money investment. So without further ado, here's a rundown on the steps we're gonna go through in this video. 1. Create your popular YouTube channels. 2. Learn how to create YouTube Shorts. 3. Downloading clips that you think will go viral. 4. Learn the ways of affiliate marketing and getting monetized. To kick things off with our first step, let's get started by creating 8 YouTube channels with a variety of niches. Make sure these channels cover a variety of popular niches on YouTube, ones that are already buzzing with views. This is key to laying the groundwork for our shorts to catch fire later on. Then, you gotta get a little creative. I tapped into ChatGPT to brainstorm catchy names for the channels, and I whipped up some slick logos and banners using Canva templates. Alright, so on to the second step, creating those shorts. This is where things get interesting. Our game plan is to release 2 shorts daily across all 8 channels, totaling 112 videos each week. Sounds like a mountain of work, I know, but here's the thing, we're going to let AI handle the heavy lifting. Now you might be wondering, isn't that risky with YouTube's content policies? Well, don't worry, because I had a nifty trick up my sleeve to sidestep any potential issues. But before we dive into that, let's talk about the fun part, cranking out those shorts. I turned to Opus Clips for this task, scouring the web for viral long-form videos with millions of views to serve as the foundation for content on our 8 channels. Let's mix it up with podcasts, documentary, motivational speeches, and fitness clips. All I did was grab these longer videos and toss them into the AI tool. I sat back and let the AI work its magic. Before I knew it, I immediately got dozens of short videos sprang to life from just one long-form video. It was like watching creativity on autopilot. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from, and trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. In the third step, we're sorting through and downloading the most promising shorts. Make sure to pick ones you believe have the special spark to go viral. Now you've probably seen others suggesting Canva for crafting shorts, but honestly, that route doesn't always yield the views you're after and can be a real time drain. My aim was crystal clear. Churn out as many viral shorts as humanly possible in the shortest time frame. But, of course, there was a major problem in the plan. YouTube doesn't let you cash in on these videos, but I found a slick workaround to beat their originality checks. In the first method, I made sure each one had its own unique spin. Then, I stumbled upon 2 editing techniques that did the trick. First off, whip up compilations using an AI video editor like InVideo. It's quite easy. Just toss together a bunch of shorts from Opus Clips. Now, we have a ton of compilation videos ready to roll for monetization on YouTube. These videos also have the best chance of going viral. Now on to my second method, which I like to call mix and match. Once again, I turned to InVideo for this. I simply swapped out certain parts of the shorts with stock footage, adding a new clip every few seconds. Surprisingly, YouTube had no issues with monetizing these videos. Need proof? Check out a channel doing exactly that, pulling in over $100,000 in monthly revenue. So armed with 8 AI-crafted YouTube channels and a hefty stash of original shorts, it was time for the finishing touches, crafting catchy titles and posting on each channel twice a day. YouTube is really pushing shorts more than ever, and thanks to the top-notch quality output of AI, getting views has become a breeze. Now here's where it gets juicy. If you're thinking about diving into long-form content for a higher RPM, aka revenue per mile, you've got 8 channels ready to roll, all built on the sturdy foundation of YouTube Shorts. Before we continue, if you're digging this video that I poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes, and if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video soon to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. If this is the first video you've seen from us, go ahead and check out our other content to find other fortune tips suitable for you. But hold on to your hats, because we've got our fourth and final step. These channels have the ability to become a goldmine for affiliate marketing. The simplest method I stumbled upon was using a platform such as ClickBank. Just hunt for products that tie into your shorts and drop the link in the comments. Follow all the steps I've laid out so far, and you'll have shorts stacking up millions of views, paving the way for a massive opportunity to cash in on those affiliate links. The secret to making it big is staying consistent. Just picture this. After a year, all 8 of your YouTube channels could be blowing up. Your shorts might be racking up millions of views regularly, and each channel could be pulling in tens or even hundreds of thousands every month. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button below. It's a small gesture, but it means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you more awesome content like this. Also, one quick thing. Are you looking for ways to earn some extra money? Check out the first link in the description below. You'll find a great way to earn free PayPal money by watching short YouTube videos. This method is perfect for everyone, regardless of experience, and can help you make up to $700 per day. The linked video below will walk you through the process step by step. So why not give it a try? It's an easy and productive way to earn some extra income. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Until next time, happy earning!